Hello children, for class 9, the topic today is the continuation of lines and angles. Today we are going to deal with the angle sum property theorem for a triangle. Okay, let us prove this theorem. The sum of angles of a triangle is 180. This is something we have already learned in the lower classes. Now we are going to prove it. Okay, so let there be a triangle A, B, C. Okay, A, B and C. I will mark this angle as 1, this as 2 and this as 3. Now what is required to prove? Required to prove is 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degrees. Okay, this is what we have to prove. These three angles are 180. So what we have to do is let us use the theorems that we have learned regarding parallel lines. So first I am going to draw a line parallel here. Okay, write it here. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180. This is it. So let me draw a line here PQ which is parallel to BC. So draw PQ parallel to BC. Okay, now I am going to go about the alternate interior angles. See, if I take this angle, if I mark this angle 4 and this is 5. If you notice this angle 4, can you see the Z theorem here? That is 4 and 2 will be equal. Why? Angle 4 equal to angle 2 by alternate interior angles are equal. Correct? Okay. So this is my alternate interior angles are equal. Now let us take this angles 5 and 3. Now what happens? There is another Z here. Yes. So by that alternate interior, these two are parallel lines. So 5 and 3 will be equal. So angle 5 equal to angle 3. So I will mark this as 1 and this as 2. This is the same reason. Alternate interior angles are equal. Now if these two are equal, then what happens? What can I say? BC, this one. Or this is a straight line, right? This is straight line. Angles on a straight line add up to 180. So let us take, so angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degrees. This is angles on a straight line. Okay, so now what is angle 4 equal to? Angle 2. So angle 2 plus, I'll keep angle 1 as it is, plus angle 5. What is angle 5 equal to? Angle 3. So this is equal to 180. These two I have got from 1 and 2. So from equations 1 and 2. Okay, so we have got angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. That means we have proved the theorem. So we can write hence proved. Okay, so this is an important theorem. Okay, now let us go on to some sums involving this theorem. Right? Did you understand this theorem? Shall I recap it for you before I go on? So the sum of angles of a triangle is 180. That is what I have to prove. So what I am doing is I am taking a triangle ABC. In that triangle, I have named the three angles as 1, 2 and 3. So what is required to prove? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degrees. So now what I am going to do is, I am going to prove this. So what I do is, I am drawing a line PQ which is parallel to BC. If PQ is parallel to BC, what happens? Then by the Z theorem, I can say angle 4 equal to angle 2. Angle 4 equal to angle 2. Why? Because alternate interior angles are equal in case of parallel lines. The same way, in this Z theorem, what do I get? 5 is equal to 3. Angle 5 equal to 3. The same reason, alternate interior angles are equal. Then, these angles on a straight line, which are the angles 4 plus 1 plus 5. So, 4 plus 1 plus 5 equal to 180 degrees. Angles on a straight line. Now what is angle 4 equal to? From here I get it as 2. I am keeping 1 down, and angle 5 is equal to angle 3, which is equal to 180 degrees from 1 and 2. So what do I get? 2 plus 1 plus 3 equal to 180 degrees, hence proved. Okay, let us go on to some sums regarding this angle sum property of a triangle. Okay. The first sum that I would like to deal is supposing you have an angle like this. P, Q, R, and they have a perpendicular here 90, T. Right. This is 30 degrees. And here you have 40. This is Y. And here we have X. Okay. So they want us to find X and Y in this sum. So for finding X and Y, first I look for any triangle with the angle sum property. So if you take this triangle TQR, in that one is given as 90 degrees, another angle is given as 40. So we can find the value of X. So in triangle QTR, what can I say? I can say 90 plus 40 plus X equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so this is by angle sum property. Okay, so what do you get here? This 90 plus 40 is 130 degrees plus X equal to 180 degrees. So what is X equal to? 180 minus 130, which is equal to 50. So I have got the value of X as 50. Now we have to find the value of Y. Now if you take this angle, now just say this is S here. This angle Y is the exterior angle of PSR. Okay. So by exterior angle property, what can I say? In triangle PSR, the exterior angle is Y, which is equal to sum of the opposite two interior angles. That is X plus 30. Correct? So what is X given as? X is 50. 50 plus 30, which is equal to 80 degrees. So you must remember that the exterior angle property, that is the exterior angle in a triangle, is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Okay, so using that we have solved this sum. Right. Okay, now let us go on to another sum. Okay. Now this is the sum that is given to us. That is, this angle, exterior angle is 135, this exterior angle is 110, and they want us to find this interior angle, which is X. So what we can do is, first I am going to name this angle Y and this angle Z. Now if you notice, 110 and Y are angles on a straight line, that is linear pairs. So what can I say? 110 plus Y equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because they are linear pairs. Okay. So that implies what is Y equal to? 180 minus 110, which is equal to 70 degrees. Similarly, what can I do? Z plus 135. Z plus 135 is equal to 180 degrees, since they are also linear pairs. Okay, because they both lie on the straight line. Okay, so what is Z equal to? 180 minus 135. So that will be 5, and 7 minus 3 is 4, 45 degrees. So we have got Y and Z. So can we find X? we can use angle sum property and find x. So therefore x plus y plus z equal to 180 degrees. This is by angle sum property. Okay, so what is x value? We don't know. What is y value? 70 plus z is 45 equal to 180 degrees. So what do you get? X plus this is 115 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 180 minus 115. 180 minus 115, that is 565 degrees. So this is a sum when we have used angle sum property. I hope you have understood, children. The question was two exterior angles, that is 110 and 135 were given. We were asked to find x. So for finding the value of x, what I have done is, first I am finding out y and z. So how do I find y? 110 plus y equal to 180 since they are linear pairs. So y is equal to 180 minus 110 since I transpose 110 to the side and we get 70. Similarly, z plus 135 angles on a straight line, that is linear pairs. So z is equal to 180 minus 135, which is 45. So now we know two angles. We can find the third angle by using angle sum property. So x plus y plus z equal to 180, which is the angle sum property of a triangle. Then x I don't know, y is 70 and z is 45. So using this values, I am finding the value of x, because 70 plus 45 is 115, which is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 115, which is equal to 65. I hope you have understood, children, how the angle sum property of a triangle theorem is applied in finding unknown angles in sums. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.